Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for the Fila Disruptor 2 Premium Metallic Gold shoes. Sneakers. I saw them on Instagram, just like in passing. I don't know whose account, some blogger or something. And then I was happened to be in my mall and I'm just looking for something like random and specific, and I caught some like glint out of the corner of my eye of metallic gold. And either way, if it's shiny, I'm gonna look at it. I'm like a squirrel in that way. But I saw that it was these specific shoes that I had just seen on Instagram. And my town is not very big, so it didn't seem very likely. Like I wasn't thinking, oh, they're definitely gonna have them in the mall. No, because my town's kind of like not small, and I would think they're like more of a limited release kind of thing. I don't know anything about sneakers. Spoiler alert. Okay, but these are shiny, they're gold, and they're pretty, and I bought them with my money, so we're gonna look at them. So here is the outside of the box, if you like looking at boxes. I wear a size 10 women's because I got big feet. UK 7.5, European 41.5 for you non-Americans out there. So this is what it looks like inside the box. Here is what they look like. I feel like Vanna White. You've won some shiny gold shoes. They're so pretty. They're just one of those things that like I saw them and I was like, well, I gotta buy them. I just have to. Because they're so shiny and they're gold. I like shiny things in general, but I like silver and gold because I feel like they kind of can go with a lot of stuff. Silver more, gold you have to be a little more careful because it's like looks more like a yellow or something. But I do like shiny metallic silver and gold because I feel like, for me at least, they're kind of a versatile thing. Might not, everybody may not think that, but I think that. And they've got this neat little, it says Fila right here. How cool is that? I think that's really cool. Really cute. It's real cute. Okay. There's so many things you can do with this multi-function shoe. You can put your foot in it. You can wear a sock and put your foot in it. You can put it on your head and it can be a fashionable hat. This is a new trend. Wow. Trendsetter. I'm going to show you some walking shots of the shoes on my feet because I feel like that's very important. It always bothers me when people don't show that because I'm like, I need to see what they look like on you. On like your feet. I'm Guy Fieri. We're rolling now. This is Diners, Drive-Ins. I probably can't say like that full. It's copyrighted. We're rolling now. I'm gonna show you some on shoe, on foot footage of his shoes. So yeah, that was my unboxing video. I know it wasn't super like, I don't know how people do unboxing videos. I just thought it'd be kind of cool because these shoes are so cool, and I wanted to show you how cool my shoes were. Okay. Yeah, if you liked this, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. There's some bell I think you gotta hit. You do that too, because like, why would you not want to support me? That'd be very rude of you to not do that. Yeah, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.